Now, for this video, I want to give a huge thanks to my friend Dave Hayes. Back in late September, we went out to his private SRT Demon event being held at Grand Bend Motorplex in Grand Bend, Ontario, where we raced our Trackhawk, had a bit of fun, did some filming, and he also gave me the opportunity to take his 2018 Dodge Demon down the drag strip. So I hope everybody goes over, shows him some love. Big Bad American Motors on Instagram and YouTube. And here's the footage from the event.
Okay, so we got Dave. We're taking him for a ride in his own car.
Getting a ride in my own car.
Gave me the opportunity to drive the Demon, so I'll take it. We in drag mode and all that right now?
We're in drag mode, everything. We just got to go line lock.
Okay.
It's on. This is a little bit different for a change.
You know, it might feel crazy.
Are you going to do whatever you're going to do, Adam?
I'll just give it a try off the foot brake and see, because that seems to work. The 1320 seemed to like that the best. The 1320 seemed to like that the best. That's awesome, man.
Well, you can do it to yourself now.
I appreciate the opportunity.
No problem, no problem.
That track's going away though, I guess. You gotta launch it a little softer. Thank you, sir.
What do we do?
11-0 at 132.
There we go, 11-0. We did 11. Two people, two big guys like us.
Yeah, that's right.
With a little bit better hookup, we would have done probably 10-3, 10-5.
Yeah, something like that.
With the right hookup, and because you had the RPMs up there pretty good for a good launch.
Yeah, she hooked, she would have went, but that's all right. Oh man, can't believe I'm out here racing a Demon down the quarter mile. Thank you, Dave. Thank you so much. That is unreal. I really appreciate the opportunity. 1058 and 134. Oh man, 158 60 foot, and that was with lifting. These cars are insane. I was gonna buy a new truck. Fuck it. If you got a Demon and you want to sell it MSRP or under, get at me. So we're gonna put some gas in this thing because she's low, and we'll see how she goes. 1057 134. Consistent, consistent, consistent. Holy crap! Holy crap! That was damn near a perfect pass. Barely any spin. Man, these cars are so impressive. 1041 134 79. That is unfrickin' believable, man. You got one more run left, so go get it done. Things are just too much fun, man. Thank you. 11:09 at 133.98, so not bad. Still a good run. At 10:40, that was awesome. But big thanks to Dave Hayes for letting us take his car down the track. 2018 Demon. Make sure you check him out on Instagram and YouTube. Big Bad American Motors. I'm going to put the link in the description down below. The guy deserves some love, so go show him some love, guys. Well, that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.